guys, what's going on? Today my video is going to be on the Boppy Microfiber Slipcover. If you guys don't know what a Boppy is, be sure to see my video review on the regular Boppy. This is just going to be for the slipcover. So if you guys would like some more information on Boppy Slipcover, please just be sure to check my video description for some more information. So the Boppy is a really great pillow and support for newborns up until 9 months old. Something I highly recommend. And I think that most new moms know what it is because it's such a popular item and such a popular registry item. So they come with a slipcover, but you want to have a couple extra. Reason being is, you know, you have to wash the other one. You're going to have to wash the one that it comes with. So, you know, it's a good idea to have a couple of them. So the slipcover fits Boppy feeding and infant support pillows. It has a two-sided fashion with piping to match your personal style. And it's good for, they tell you that Boppy is good for 0 to 12 months. So the slipcover tells you it's good. 0 months, the Boppy is good for nursing and bottle feeding. 3 months, it's great for propping. So you can see the baby propped up on there. That's what I used to do. I would put my baby, now he's too big for it, he's 19 months, but I would put him in the middle of it, and I would put the Boppy on my lap, and he would just go to sleep because, you know, newborn sleep for a long time. 6 months, great for tummy time. 9 months, great for sitting. And this is machine washable. So I was saying this in the other video, that it's really important that you wash this the first time in like a detergent that's safe for newborns and stuff like that, because you don't know what they're going to be sensitive to. So Dreft is a good detergent that I recommend. So this is, the slipcover is for Boppy, made by Chico. Now, if you don't know what Chico is a a great brand. I have quite a few things that are Chico, including my high chair and a portable high chair for the baby. And I really like Chico. They're awesome. So the slipcovers, I have several, you know, and all different prints. I do have a boy, so that's why I got whales. So this one has whales on it, and anchors on the back. All the slipcovers are super soft, comfortable. I've washed this several times and it still looks brand new. Doesn't really stain easily at all, so that's also nice. And I've definitely had the baby spit up on it and had to wash it. And I had like no issues at all with that. So these slipcovers always fit the regular Boppy feeding and infant support pillows. They do have different size Boppies. This is just the regular plain one that it fits. It does not fit the Boppy Lounger. Mix and match by having a few slipcovers on hand for any unexpected mishaps. Unexpected mishaps being like the baby spitting up or anything like that, like, you know, and of course that comes unexpectedly. It tells you it's by the Boppy company, as you can see on here. And then the way that you would wash it is you would just take it off the pillow and you would just put it in the washing machine. You don't have to put it on gentle cycle, just regular cycle, cold or warm water with light colors. And that is how you wash this. So it comes in like a little sleek package. I saved it. I saved the box and I've had this for a long time. Just in case I needed to like store the slipcover again or something like that. And I didn't want to put it with the clothes. So it makes for easy storage. And then they had like so many other designs with like little animals, different colors. So you can have, you know, if you want something that's more girly, you can have that. Easy to wash, easy to care for. And the pillow itself is really soft, and the cover makes it even softer. So that's really nice. I was just seeing if it had the ingredients. Yes, so it's 100, the slipcover is 100% polyester. So it tells you here too, machine wash using mild laundry detergent. It says delicate cycle, but you could use the regular washing machine cycle. I would put this in with all my son's clothes. And I would wash it in Dreft, but you could use whatever newborn or baby detergent you like. I would just put it on the regular cotton sturdy cycle and it would come out fine. So if you guys feel more comfortable, you could put it on gentle cycle. I just feel like gentle cycle isn't as great with you know, having the stains come out. So that's why I suggest just using the regular cycle. But super easy to clean, soft, comfortable, and comes in so many different patterns, styles, colors. You guys will be really happy. So I thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video on the Boppy Slipcover, microfiber slipcover. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.